In the following video series, I'm going to introduce top-rack technology, Excel-based design tools to assist installers to select correct TRT products and generate accurate BOM. As mentioned, the design goal for this tool is to assist roof PV projects and help installers to generate accurate BOMs for the projects. The tool is distributed as a Excel workbook file, and it is protected as a black box version, preventing users from accidentally altering underlying engineering calculations. To better utilize the design tool, you keep the original file as a template, copy and rename the working file with a meaningful name, as your product name, embedded into the copied file, and only work on and save the copied file. After making a copy from the original released template Excel tool file, you rename it as your project working file. Then you can open it up with the Excel 365. The general flow of the tool works like this. The leftmost tab is the cover page that gives you some general information of the tool. Then you use the input page to input the project parameters. Then it gives you 4 layout tabs that you can design 4 PV module areas on top of the roof. Depending on the product you select, it will generate the corresponding BOMs for you, either TRT01, 02, or 03. The cover page provides a general guidance of the TRT BOM tool. It spells out the limitations and the responsibilities, and this tool actually depends on user input the correct site information data. It is the user's responsibility to adhere to the local building code and AHG permit requirement. At the bottom of this page, there's a list of the design assumptions and any special design conditions. You can contact TRT support team.